Hey guys, I'm in a newly built Menards here, and it's got a 2-level lighting department, which I've never seen before. In my childhood, they used to have the lighting department just up here, but I've never seen one with a multi-level lighting department before. So I thought we'd do a quick video tour. Unfortunately, my phone's about dead, so if the video ends abruptly, it might have died. I wasn't planning on doing this. I was just coming here to return something. So this looks like about like their normal fan section. Industrial. That stupid overpriced industrial. A lot of hunter stuff. Maybe I'll come back and do a longer tour sometime. That's kind of cute. When I'm not racing the clock against my phone dying. That's kind of cute. I don't see it up there. It's got to be somewhere close by. Well, they still have polished brass. It's a little surprising. Oh, there's the one with the chandelier. Tell you what I'll do. I'll keep filming until the phone dies. Special order. Locate your selection, order it today. So I'm guessing they don't stock these. Let's go up here and take a look. Yeah, there's no boxes up here, so looks like anything you get up here. Well, no, because some of these I've seen at other Menards. This I've seen at other Menards. That I've seen at other Menards. Wow, look at that cheap blade in there. That's too bad. That's really cool, except for the cheap blade. I really like that. 800 bucks, they could put a real blade in there. $80 for that? And the blades are upside down. It's kind of cool. Didn't know they still made these. Oh, didn't know they still made these either. See what's over this way. I don't think there's any more fans or lights over here, but interesting. This might not be for customers back here. I like these kind of things. That's kind of cute. We can go overlook the overpriced giant fan. See if we can figure out where the control is. I can't see the see the conduit from there, just that it goes that way. No? Right there. Here. I wish I could see where my battery is at. I can't see it while I'm filming. Hunter, all the special order stuff, Hunter? Hunter, 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 Hunter. Hunter. That looks like Hunter. That's not a bad looking hugger, honestly. It looks like all the special order stuff is Hunter. Well, maybe not this. Warehouse. Not that. Wilmington. What's the brand, though? Just more turn of the century, I guess. These giant canopies are interesting. They have those really cheap desk fan blades in there, though. I wonder. It's not even plugged in. How about this one? I just want to see how much air they move. Nope. I don't like that blade. At least it's replaceable. I love that light, though. That's really cool. I wish they weren't putting these cheap-ass blades in everything. That's kind of cool. A lot of these cage designs are actually pretty cool. This is really cool, and I bet you that lights up too. If you guys care about seeing any of the lighting, I can do that another time. I like this leaded glass floor lamp. That's kind of interesting. No, this must be for customers. I understand that they have too many fans to have them all wired up, but why not at least have the cage ones on? I've been wondering why we started to see these in the continental US. I can't believe I didn't notice that the number of times I walked past it. Just because I'm not sure how much phone battery I have left, let's go back downstairs. Really? It's not enough to turn old fans into lamps we gotta make. I guess it'd be better if they just made new ones. It's interesting, because this is the newest built Menards. It's not the biggest one. The biggest one is the one that I normally go to, that I've done a host of videos in. That used to be a Circuit City and a Menards, and they combined them. But this one's definitely got a bigger selection. I wonder why. Because this is not in the city limits, this is out in the suburbs. Here, I'll try to go through the aisles, both the ceiling and the boxes. It's a lot more cluttered down here. Not mad at the leaded glass. That's kind of interesting with the globe light. How much do they sell these for? They used to be $29.99, now they're $54.
Did you know that Menards offers
That's their
protection plan for power tools? Replacement coverage is available for power tools up to $299.99.
big fan, cage fan, junk hugger, a couple more cage fans, the little chrome things. Yeah, everything upstairs is much cooler. They still have high pressure sodium, fluorescent, but a lot of it's LED. Okay, clearance. They've been using that jingle since I was a kid. That normally has 6 blades. It's interesting they got it with 3. I don't see this. That's not bad looking for a Grand New Haven. It's got to be up there somewhere. I'm just overlooking it. There's just so much clutter. It's hard to see everything. Is that it? I guess so. It just looks different. That's not bad looking. There's the polished brass. $23, but it said $29 on the sticker. Which is it? Okay. I think I've showed you all about all that I can. See if there's anything else over here. Nope. But it is cool they got the split level here. Let's go out and take a look at the big fan that everybody hates. And rightly so. That's bright. Good God. You get sunburn in that section. It's cute. Can't believe people buy those, but they do. Okay. Let's take a look up there at the fan display. Hope you guys have enjoyed this. I'm glad my phone battery survived. Thanks for watching.